why I decided to come to Southern Wesleyan University to teach is that I needed to be in a place where I felt like I could be free to be me, and my students could also be free to be them.
It's just like after reading.
It's very hands-on, we aren't just sitting down studying for tests. It's, that's the whole point. We're being creative and we're allowed to use our talents and abilities for a bigger purpose, and there's just so much that goes into it.
2, 1. Welcome back from the break.
I feel it's important to have shows like The Compass because they shed light on modern issues and events and situations, but do so from a Christian perspective.
The professors here seem to be really interested in not only helping their students succeed in the classroom, but also preparing them for the real world. And I feel like some teachers can lose sight and just focus on the former, but the professors here seem to really care about giving you the skill sets that'll matter in the industry you're going to, especially Dr. Knight in the MediaComm department.
SWU community is amazing. I love it so much, and it's one of the big reasons why I ended up at SWU was because I saw the community here. I stepped onto the campus for a visit, and I immediately felt like I was at home.
I love the fact that Southern Wesleyan University brings students closer to God and closer to each other. Through teachings here, they leave here as not just job ready, but society ready.
If you don't want to go, you go on the boat. We don't have to go soon. We don't have to jump off the boat. We can just.
Thanks, Seth. After the break, we will have more Dennis talk about AI and how it has impacted. With how people predict scores.
In MediaComm, the idea is that we find the facts, that we present the facts to our audience, our users, however we want to define them, our target, and allow them to come to the truth. And in a Christian university, we know who the truth is.